In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Google and Facebook platforms effectively. We'll be focusing specifically on the Facebook Marketplace and how to find what you need with ease and efficiency. First, let's head over to the Facebook Marketplace. Open your web browser and type Facebook Marketplace into the search bar on Google. This is a quick way to locate the marketplace if you're not already signed into Facebook or are unfamiliar with its layout. Once the Google search results appear, select the link that takes you directly to the marketplace. This section of Facebook is a fantastic tool for buying and selling locally. It's like having a thrift store and classified section right at your fingertips, available 24/7. Once you've accessed the Facebook Marketplace, you'll notice a variety of categories and listings from which to choose. To help streamline this vast selection, Facebook allows you to highlight specific areas of interest. These highlights can filter through the numerous items to focus on what's relevant to you. Simply click on Highlight at the top of the Marketplace page. This will adjust what you see based on your preferred categories or recently searched items. For instance, if you're interested in electronics, these will be more prominently displayed for you. Now, to exemplify this process, let's say you're on the hunt for a new bike. Return to the main marketplace page. There's no need to sift through unrelated listings. Instead, take advantage of targeted filters. Look at the sidebar, where you'll find specific categories. Click on the bike category. When doing so, you'll be able to view various bicycles that individuals are selling in your area. This targeted searching method not only saves you time, but also ensures that you're seeing the most relevant options available. While browsing, remember to consider several important factors for each listing. Check the photos posted, read the full descriptions provided by the seller, and look at the asking price. Don't hesitate to contact sellers with any specific questions or to negotiate the price if necessary. This interactive aspect of the marketplace is designed to empower you as a buyer, so that you can make the most informed decision possible. Lastly, always be mindful of Facebook's security protocols and guidelines to ensure safe transactions. Communicate through Facebook's messaging system and meet in public places when finalizing purchases. With these steps, you'll have all the tools needed to successfully navigate and utilize Facebook Marketplace for your buying and selling needs. Whether you're searching for a specific item or browsing for inspiration, these tips will ensure you get the most out of your experience on this platform. Happy shopping, and enjoy the convenience and variety that Facebook Marketplace offers.